Subsequent expenditure on asset may become the part of asset or may be transferred into the profit and loss statement or profit and loss account. So subsequent expenditure on property, plant and equipment should only be treated as part of cost of asset if it enhances the economic benefit provided by the asset. This could be extending the asset's life and expansion or increase in the productivity of the asset. It relates to an overall or required major inspection of the assets. So this is important new thing, overall expenses or major inspection of the asset. The cost associated with this should be capitalized and depreciated over the time until the next overall or safety inspection. It is replacing the component of complex asset. So in a complex asset, if you are replacing any component of asset, that may become the part of asset. So replaced component will be derecognized. So the component that you are replacing should be derecognized and the new part should be recognized. A complex asset is an asset made up of more than one component, more than one part, number of components, which each depreciate at different rate. For example, aircraft would comprise body, engine and interior. So all these three components have a different life, different depreciation rate and different amount involved in its cost. Apart from that, all other subsequent expenditures should be recognized in the statement of profit and loss account because it merely maintains the economic benefit originally expected. So there is no increase in economic benefit. So what we are doing, we are maintaining the originally expected economic benefit. In that case, we cannot increase the value of asset. The cost will be treated as repair, general repair and maintenance, and that will be transferred immediately in profit and loss account or statement of profit and loss. These are the expense item. Take an example of subsequent expenditure. A piece of machinery has an annual service costing rupees $10,000. During the most recent service, it was decided to replace the part of engineering, meaning that it will work faster and produce more unit of product per hour. The cost of replacement is $20,000. What would be the expenditure? Be treated as asset or expense item. The $10,000 service cost will be treated as general expense and it should be transferred to the profit and loss statement or account of profit and loss. $20,000 expenditure, that is replacement part. This 20,000 will increase the value of asset. Why? Because ultimately due to this expense, the per unit or production rate will increase. The unit of product per hour will increase. So it is a addition in the value of asset. So it should be the part of the asset. It should be capitalized and the value of asset will increase in the financial statement.